Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine wherever you're watching me from. Welcome again to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lucia. Welcome. I welcome you all to today's vlog. Feel much appreciated and may God bless you wherever you are. Okay, so today is another beautiful day as usual, and as you can see the clouds here, it will rain today. It rains every day here at our place, and we thank God for the rains every day. And look at these blessings that the Lord has given unto us. Can you see what I planted the other day? Yeah, the garden, it's looking so fresh, so green, and so beautiful. As you can see for yourself, everything is so super nice. So I planted so many things here. I'm very sure you will see them as we go on, and I can see all of them, they have popped up. Can you see we have these pumpkins, we have this is the kale katunda kandamu, and then we have the mains there. I have a lot of pumpkins. As you saw the last video, I had a lot of them. I even didn't plant all of them, and I have maize, I have beans, I have so many vegetables. Nowadays, as you know, I don't buy vegetables, I just pick them from my farm. And can you see my skuma here? I picked them yesterday, yeah? And there are so many of them, and without God, can you see everywhere is so green? Yeah, everywhere is so green. Everything has grown, and this week I'm planning to remove some weeds. As you know, the first stage is to remove all these weeds so that your mains can look very green, and then I will add fertilizer later. No, I will add fertilizer and then dilimie kiasi, and that's how it looks. So green, so green. They have grown, and I have a lot of weeds, so this week I'll be busy just removing these weeds. Area here, they have extended some few classes. They have extended like two classes, so we are covered now. Nobody is going to see us from the other side, as we are used to that. So this side here, they have these are classrooms. As you know, if you don't know, we live next to a school. Shh. Doggy, we live next to a school, and they had like 4 classes from that side, and now they have added like 2 classes here, and that's how it looks. And this is our compound, and that's our house if you are new here. All right, so that's the whole compound, and the grass is doing well. I have a lot of weeds, I know that, so I have a lot to do here. And the other side we have these tereres. I want to remove them from this side because I don't want vegetables in the compound. Okay, so can you see the weeds? We have a lot of weeds, so I think I'll start by removing some few weeds here and do so many things today with you guys. So welcome all as I start my day. done. I am done clearing this place. Can you see how beautiful it is now? So beautiful. So I've added some more grass there where we have some spaces, and I've watered them with water. Can you see it's wet right now? So that's how it looks, and it looks so beautiful. So nice. Yeah, so nice. This area here, I think it's fully now. Yeah, and that's how it looks. Super gorgeous. So I'm remaining with this area. This side here, it's so bushy, very bushy, but I'll do that because right now it's so hot. The sun is just right here, and you see that's where it is. That's where the sun is. It's 12 noon.